Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, YouTube. How the heck do you keep up with all your social media content planning? Well, have no fear, because in this video, you'll learn how to maximize your time with my 3 content hacks on how to repurpose content for social media, and stay tuned to the end for my free bonus. My name is Dr. Yazdan. I'm a cosmetic dentist in Newport Beach, California. I help entrepreneurs build their businesses by branding themselves on social media and turning their passions into profits. As a cosmetic dentist, I have successfully grown a large social media presence that has exponentially increased my practice. So for the best social media marketing strategy advice on how you can use social media to grow your business, just like I have, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you never miss out on the latest social media tips and tricks to turn your passions into profits. Okay, so let's dive right into the 3 content hacks that you can take to repurpose your social media content you have worked so hard to actually create. Also, make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video for your free gift. So, content strategy number 1 is to share your post across all your social media platforms. Duh. But here's the key to doing it right that most people don't know and totally screw up. You don't want to share the same post on a different platform on the same day. If you post something on Instagram on a Saturday, then don't post it on Facebook till, let's say, Monday. Maybe onto Pinterest on Wednesday, then to Twitter on Thursday. The key is to space out your post on the various platforms that you have so that your followers don't see the same post across all your platforms at the same time. This will make sure that your followers will actually want to follow you on each of the platforms that you have. If someone follows you on Instagram and they see that you post the same thing on your Facebook page on the same day, they will feel that they are getting everything you put out by just following you on Instagram. So they likely won't want to follow you on Facebook as well. But if they see that you are posting different things across different platforms, they will be more likely to follow you on each of those platforms. All right, so content strategy number 2 is to turn your social media post into an email. If you have an email list, then you should be emailing them regularly. Whether that's an email list that you have created by being on social media, or whether that's an email list that you have created by the patients you have in your office, you can use your post and turn it into an email. Now, here's the game changer that most people don't take the time to do right. Get more personal with the email than you would on your social media platforms. Think of being in someone's email as being inside of their home. You obviously have to have a closer relationship to somebody when you are in their home. So if you have their email address, make the emails more personal and help deepen that connection that you have with them. This is especially important if you're still growing your influence on social media. Now, I want to know, have you repurposed content with your social media? If so, how did it perform for you? Leave me a comment below and let me know. Okay, so content strategy number 3 is to turn your social media post into a blog post. If you are writing a lot of smaller posts for social media, then you can take those posts and turn them into more in-depth blog posts. Having a blog, much like having your own email list, is a place that you can share content that is more focused on you and your business, and content that is more detailed, more in-depth, and more valuable for your audience. This is one of the best content marketing tips that many entrepreneurs and healthcare professionals skip over. So now you have my 3 content hacks that you can use to repurpose your social media content across different platforms, which will help you maximize your time and still grow your influence. So here's a freebie that I promised you if you stuck around to the end. I have worked hard to put together a free Instagram guide, which gives you the exact steps I took to grow my business to over 100K followers and boost my practice exponentially. Included in this guide are 30 captions that you can copy and paste when you're tired, or you can use them as templates when you're feeling creative but need a little bit of help. So to get this guide, simply click on the link below where it says free Instagram guide for healthcare professionals. And don't worry, even if you aren't a healthcare professional, these social media tips and tricks will still work for any business. For more great information, or if you just want to see what I'm up to, be sure to follow me over on Instagram. The link to my Instagram account is also in the description below this video. And finally, if you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your fellow healthcare professionals. Also, be sure to comment below if you found this video helpful or you just want to ask me some questions. I am always here to help. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.